Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on monitoring your stress levels on Huawei Fit Watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you tap your watch's side button to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap Stress, you will see that there are currently no stress records. This is because you need to turn constant stress measurements on in the Huawei Health app before you can see any records on the watch. To do this, open up the Huawei Health app on your phone. Tap Devices at the bottom, and then tap your watch's name at the top. Scroll down and tap Health Monitoring. Then tap on Automatic Stress Test. You now need to turn the toggle on at the top. You will have to calibrate your watch before it will measure your stress levels. Tap Calibrate. Make sure that the watch is firmly on your wrist and keep as still as you can. Then tap Start. You will now have to answer 12 stress-related questions. Try to answer as honestly as possible, as these questions will help your stress measurements to be accurate. Once you have answered the 12 questions, tap Submit. Your stress level has been calibrated and will now constantly measure your stress. You can go back to the stress level area on your watch after it's been measured for a while and see your stress levels. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.